Hey everyone, if Bumble is stuck on loading screen and never opens, try this fix. First, check your internet connection and switch between networks if possible. If you cannot switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Bumble and swipe it away, then reopen it. If that does not work, restart your phone. Now, head over to your app store and check for Bumble updates and install them if available. Outdated app versions often get stuck on loading. If the issue continues, clear the app's cache on Android or long press on the Bumble app icon and remove the app on iPhone. Also, make sure that your location permission is enabled for Bumble. These steps usually fix the Bumble loading screen issue, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.